Hi, this is Ajay Jangid in this video and you are watching Jogi and You. Today I have a very different question in which we have a circle, the radius of the circle is 10, we have a chord AB and a perpendicular on the chord which is 4. This perpendicular gave us a portion of chords which is 2, so all we have to find is the total length of this chord AB. These type of questions are very typical, most of the people can't solve this type of questions. So for solving this, we took a circle, we have the radius of this circle as 10 and it has chord AB and we are going to find the length of this chord. We have a perpendicular which perpendiculars AB on the point M, the right side 2 and the perpendicular is 4. Seems like this information is very less to solve this question. So how to solve it? By the way guys, I have a great opportunity from the Unacademy for you, which is Unacademy Ascent. It's a championship in which the students from class 6 to 12 can participate totally free. Actually, it's an online test and will be held on January 10th. And the winner prize is scholarship of worth 5 lakh rupees. Any student can participate in this championship because it's free. It's totally free. It includes the whole NCERT course of science and maths. It will help you to prepare for your annual exam, so give it a try. But the question is, how to enroll in the Unacademy Ascent? Download the Unacademy app from the Play Store or App Store, or you can visit the website. If you are a new user, then register on Unacademy, or you can log in to the Unacademy app or website and select your goal and go to the free classes and test series tab and prepare for your test. All the best for your test. So let's get back to the question. So we was talking about our question. Let's solve it. So firstly, I will solve it by the formula for you guys, but for those who cannot remind the formulas, I will tell them the another correct method to solve it. So seriously, you will have two methods in this video, but the question is one. But I will solve it in two possible ways. So watch it till the end and I will give a question in the end for you so you can solve this kind of question on your own. And comment your answer in the comment box. So let's extend this blue chord to the downside. And now we have two mutually perpendiculars. The first one is yellow and the second one is blue. And on this mutual perpendicular chord, the upper part is 4 and the right part is 2. So we don't know the length of this down part and this left part. So let this length x and this length y. There is a relation between mutually perpendicular chords, which is the multiply of two parts of a chord is equals to the multiply of two parts of the second chord. So we use this relation y multiplied by 2, which is yellow chord, and 4 multiplied by x, which is blue chord. Divide both sides by 2. We got y is equals to 2x. So I am replacing the value of y with 2x. Now we have a whole circle in a single variable, and if we could create an equation in a variable, then we can easily solve it. So formula will work here, and the condition for formula in which we have 4 pieces of mutually perpendicular chords and a radius. So if we got this condition between radius and chords, then there is a proven formula which is a square plus b square plus c square plus d square is equals to 4 times r square. It means the square of all parts we have is equals to 4 times of radius square. So our actual figures were not a, b, c, d, neither r. So let's get back to the original figures, which is 2x, 2, 4, x and the 10. So replace this in the formula. So we got this, and after solving we got this. And again after solving we have this. 5x square is equals to 380. Transfer 5 to the right side and take root on the both sides. We have 380 upon 5 under the root. Then we have x is equals to 76 under the root. After factoring we have 2 into 2 into 19. So the value of this is 2 root 19. But our question wasn't about the value of x. Our question was find the value of yellow chord, which is AB. And the total length of AB is the sum of both these. That means 2x plus 2. So just replace the value of x in this. So we have 2 multiplied by 2 root 19 plus 2, which is 4 root 19 plus 2. If we solve this with the formula, this formula, then okay. Otherwise there's another proper method and we can derive the formula with that method. So see what is that method. Because the more you know, the more you can. So be a brilliant. Let's see the second method, and for that, let's get back to our original figures. We have calculated the 4 pieces of mutually perpendicular chords, so I'm starting from here. You can replay the video till this step if you didn't get it properly. So what we have now is yellow chord in 2x and 2 part and the blue chord in 4 and x. So for understanding the original method, you have to understand an easy concept, which is this. What we have in this tiny circle, a chord which have a perpendicular in the center, this red one, and if there is a perpendicular in the center of any chord, then it bisects the chord in 2 equal parts. Means the length of left side of the chord and the right side of the chord will be equal. So this is the only concept we will use and solve this question. So I'm drawing a perpendicular in the center to the upper direction on the yellow chord AB. So as the concept, the left side will be equals to the right side. AP is equals to PB. But what is the exact length? Total chord is the sum of both these 2x plus 2. So if we halve the total 2x plus 2, then we have the left side. So what we do is 2x plus 2 divided by 2, which is x plus 1. Now let's talk about this PM, this small part. You will get it after some time why we are doing this, but now just see. So how to calculate this PM? If we minus total right with this 2, I mean PM is equals to PM minus MB. So just replace the values in this. We got x plus 1 minus 2, which is x minus 1. So the PM is x minus 1. So replace this in the original figure. So the work of this perpendicular on the yellow chord is completed. So I am taking this perpendicular on the blue chord. Same, it bisects the chord in equal parts. So for calculating QR, just half the total length of chord. And what is the total length of chord? X plus 4. So x plus 4 divided by 2. So we got a down part of the chord. Now we have x minus 1, OQ and QR. So just join OR, which is our radius. It was given in the question. So there is a relation for the right angle triangle which we got, which is Pythagoras theorem. And Pythagoras theorem is the relation of 3 sides of any triangle, which is base square plus perpendicular square is equals to radius square. And now replace all the values in this formula. So we have this. And after solving, we got this. And again, we got this. Cut this plus 8x and minus 8x and solve it. We got 5x square plus 20 is equals to 400. Solve it, we have this. And this. And after this, we got under root 380 upon 5 is equals to x. And then we have under root 76. And then 2 root 19. This is the value of x. But it's not the single value of x. If you want to calculate the exact value of x, then calculate the value of root 19 and multiply with 2. Then you get 8.7177 ... But this is not our required answer, because our question was find the values of AB, and the AB is the sum of 2x plus 2. So if we put it here, replace the value of x in this. If you want to calculate in decimals, then take the second value, otherwise take the first value. So I'm picking the first value, then we got this, and then we got this. 4 root 19 plus 2. This is our answer. So friends, calculate this type of question with the proper formula, or you can solve this with this method. But before ending this video, I have a question for you, and I want you to answer that question in the comment section. And the question is, find the length of chord AB, and for this we have a radius of 5, a chord and a perpendicular of the length 2, and this portion is 1. So calculate the length of AB by these given figures. Your comment will show how brilliant you are. So friends, I hope you like the video. If you do, then subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon for such more videos, but yes, like the video and share it with your friends. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.